You can make tons of money. 2022 is gone, and 2023 is your next opportunity. Make the most of it. You are the next millionaire. It is a fact that 95% of people who set purposes in the new year fail in the first month of the year. If you are in that percentage, let me tell you that this 2023, you have a new opportunity to really achieve all your goals. Let's talk about the financial field. The vast majority of people have a job that they hate, but also it is poorly paid. Remember that if you are in a position where your work is not valued, move. The world is too big for you to stay in one place. The most valuable thing in this world in relation to economic income is freedom of time and place. And the only way to achieve that is to adopt a remote business model in which you are your own boss. That is why we share 3 online ways in which you can earn money while giving up what you hate. And the best part is that the limits are only set by you. Always remember, learn, apply, correct, and try again, but never give up. Without more laps, we go with the first. Being a freelancer. Being your own boss and having your own times are some advantages of this business model. A freelancer is a person who offers any service through the internet. I am sure you have some valuable skills that someone else might need and pay for. The most famous page to offer your services is called Fiverr. Simply register, offer your services, and as an add bonus tip, you can promote your services in media such as Facebook and WhatsApp groups, as well as popular platforms with a large reach such as TikTok. Some examples of services you can find on Fiverr are video editing, animators, web page designers, and a million other things you can think of. It is just a matter of being creative and willing to meet your goals. Through the year 2022, an online business model has become popular that can be very profitable in the year 2023. So let me introduce you to drop shipping. This business model will consist of selling any product online, but with a small but important difference. Having a stock and then sending the product to your customer takes away the freedom that a remote business offers you. To avoid it, let me explain you the drop shipping process, which consists on 5 steps. Finding a product you like, purchasing it from Alibaba or another supplier, creating the store through Shopify, promoting through TikTok by leaving your store link, and finally waiting for sales. Shopify connects everything so that you only have to focus on creating your advertisements. This business model is currently very popular, and there are tons of very complete tutorials on YouTube. However, it is very simple, and the only key piece you need is your creativity. As an extra tip, you can pay for ads through TikTok ads to speed up the process. To start your own store, you can start with $0, since the money from your sales will cover the cost of sending the purchase order to your supplier and finally delivering it to your client. So, you only have to see your account grow in income. The third option is even simpler. It is about being a video editor. Almost everyone wants to start growing their social networks, and learning to edit videos is relatively simple. You can get clients through promotional social networks and send a direct message to the pages that you see that are starting. As an extra information, this video is being edited with DaVinci Resolve, an extremely complete free editing program. And it only took a couple of tutorials to develop this skill. But if you're a more simple person, you can use iMovie, which is also a good tool, without so much beating around the bush. These are just a few of the thousands of side hustles you can perform, and we will share them in future videos. It is time for you to get down to work, and remember that this 2023 is your great new opportunity. Don't waste it. Thanks you for viewing Blue Finance, and see you in the next video.